children, today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 18, Rights and Duties. So let's start question number 1. What is constitution? A constitution is a set of rules according to which the government governs the country. Question number 2. What are fundamental rights? List them. Answer. The fundamental rights are the basic rights which are given to every Indian citizen for their well-being by the Indian Constitution. The 6 fundamental rights are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Now question number 3. Write any 3 fundamental duties mentioned in our constitution. Answer. We must show respect to the national flag and the national anthem. We must take care of environment. We must take care of public property. We must preserve our cultural heritage. We must abide by the constitution. Question number 4. What are directive principles? Write any 2. The directive principles are guidelines listed by the Constitution for the government to ensure the welfare of the people. People should have proper living conditions. Every child goes to school. Now think and answer. Millions of small children in India work in shops, in factories and in homes. Is it allowed by the law? Do you think these children know about their fundamental rights? Can we consider the people who employ small children as good citizens? Answer. No, the laws does not allow the small children to work in shops, factories and for home. The Indian Constitution prohibits employment of children below 14 years of age. As the working children do not know about their fundamental rights, people who employ small children are not good citizens. Now extra question and answers. First question. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? Answer. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. Question number 2. When the Constitution of India came into effect? The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. Question number 3. What do we celebrate on 26 January every year? Answer. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. Question number 4. What are minorities? Answer. Group of people who are less in number are called minorities. Question number 5. What is equality? This is the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. Question number 6. Why do we celebrate Republic Day? Answer. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. Thank you.